And welcome back to my channel Candor in Wonderland. So today we are going to play hide. Sorry about that. So we are going to play hide and seek, and I don't know who's going to hold the phone. I've not thought about that yet, but we'll just play. Okay, wait. Outside. Let's go outside to count. So Candor's going inside, and I'm going to count so that he hides. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Wait a second. Kuhu? Is that you? Wait, is that Kuhu? Kuhu? Kuhu! Oh. Have you forgotten about it?
Yes, of course. You're the best sister in the world. I haven't forgot that. You know, if you knew that I like you and I treat you as a big sister, did you know?
Yeah, I know. Everyone saw in the slow motion video right now, didn't they? See, guys, the slow motion video was too slow and a little bit more long. But you have to adjust. What?
Who are you talking to?
No one. No one.
Okay. But you're talking to the. Why are you holding the phone like this?
Cause I'm playing a
Watching
game.
it again?
I'm playing a game.
Okay. Duh. Who was talking with that? Oh, can I see the game as well?
No, I am good.
Why?
I am playing Among Us.
Let me guess, you're recording.
Okay, you got me. I am recording here.
Guys, if you notice that I was looking around the home, it's beautiful that it was. And of course, you're very much changed.
I'm not changed. You are changed.
You are.
You're actually not changed. Your height is still the same.
Sure.
So we are meeting after 1 month. Yes.
Not 1 month.
1 month. She actually forgot.
Yeah. It's been a long time since I've met my big sister.
Plus the 14 days quarantine, it became 1 month. So we are meeting after 1 month.
Yeah.
And that's why you saw the video. It was feeling like we are meeting after years.
Yeah. And
Today we are going to play.
hide and seek with Candor.
Yeah. So let's bring him. But there's a problem.
What?
He jumps on you, don't you know?
But he can't find me anywhere.
Uh,
He's gonna seek and I'm gonna hide.
okay. Me and Candor are going to seek and she's gonna hide. We have to put Candor his leash.
Because he's crazy on me.
He's crazy on Kuhu.
He's crazy.
He's attracted to her.
Yeah, I actually never came like too close to him, so that's why he's like, ah, she's here.
Sure.
Sure. Bye.
What bye?
I,
You mean we are going to start the game?
yeah.
So I'll get Candor. Wait, you have to wait. Let me get Candor at least. So I'm going to get Candor in 3, 2, 1. Sorry, we are going to get Candor in 3, 2, 1. Is we are going to tell the rules first. So we are going to say the rules and please.
Number 1. Candor is going to always be in a leash because he's crazy. Rule number 2. I'm sorry for being actually crazy, but rule number 2 is that I am always gonna hide because like he's not adjusted with me that good that I can hold his leash. Rule number 3. Suhani Didi is gonna seek with candor.
And those are enough for the rules. So let's begin the game in 3, 2, 1. So we are going to count till 20. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We are coming for you, Kuhu. Candace leashed and we are finding Kuhu. Can you go find Kuhu? Wait, let me come. Can you where's Kuhu? Find Kuhu, find Kuhu. Find Kuhu, find Kuhu. Kuhu. Find her. Can you find her? Find Kuhu. Find Kuhu, find Kuhu. Find Kuhu. Kuhu. Kuhu, Kuhu, Kuhu. Find Kuhu. Did you hear her? Can you go find Kuhu? Find her, find her, find her. Can you find Kuhu? She's not outside, she's inside only. Can you find her? Kuhu? Say something. Can you find Kuhu? Can you find Kuhu? Kuhu, say something. Can you go find her? कहाँ से आवाज आई? She's inside. Are you somewhere in the drawing room or something? Whoa. Whoa. She's here. Go, go, go. Whoa. Kuhu, say something. Huh? Candy, what's that? What's that? Wait. Wait. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, now we have to keep Candor away, otherwise he'll jump on you. Guys, you saw that Candor went crazy and he finally found Kuhu in the balcony window. And so now it's time for round 2. So let's go. We are counting in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 15, 16, 19, 20. We are coming for you, Kuhu. Call her Kuhu. Can you come? Find Kuhu, find Kuhu. Let's go back to business. Okay, good. You open the door yourself. Kuhu. 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 Wait. Are you hiding outside? No, can do. Kuhu. Kuhu. I think she's in the kitchen, can do. Kuhu. No, she's not here. Kuhu. Find Kuhu, find Kuhu. She's not in the kitchen. Kuhu. She's not outside also, can do. I know this much. Ew, Amma, don't do this. It's a dog. Have some mercy. Can do. Find Kuhu, find Kuhu. Find Kuhu, find Kuhu. Kuhu. Candor? Can do. Find Kuhu. Wait. What is that? What is that?
You found me.
Again. Let's take him. Guys, Candor was really cringy this time, but he successfully found Kuhu, yay! And she hid in a very difficult spot. My mother hid her, but I could not ask her, she didn't tell me. So Kuhu is hiding right now and we have to count again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We are coming, Kuhu, to capture you again successfully. Move, can you move? You have to find her again. He has got the hang of it. What? Where is she? Where is she? Kuhu. Whoa. That was so close. You just bit her. You almost bit her. So we have to leave Panda here. Let's go outside with Kuhu. Hi guys. Oh, I hope she's not wounded. Kuhu, are you?
Yes.
He's not that dangerous. When I paused the video, she shouted. She literally shouted like a ghost. And my father woke up and this all happened in between. Kuhu, you're so mean. That's not so tough that he bit you. He didn't bite you even though.
But he has murder claws.
He doesn't. Okay, so we finished round 3 and kind of found Kuhu every single time. But the most fun part was the 3rd round. I loved that 3rd round. We are on the swing and this is the end of the video. If you like this video. So guys, this was the end of the video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Wonder in Wonderland. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you guys can be notified and be the first one to watch newly posted videos like this. Jinx! Bye!